Hello everyone. Today I will speak in simple English. Speaking is fun, listening is easy, reading is helpful, writing is important. To learn new words is exciting. To practice daily is good. The beautiful are kind, the young need care, the honest are respected, playing with words is joyful, understanding English is a great feeling. The poor need support, English is not hard, you can do it, let's learn together. In this version, I use gerunds, speaking, listening, reading, etc. I use infinitive to speak, to learn, to practice, etc. And I use adjectives, the beautiful, the young, the honest, etc. is subject in the simple sentence. Apart from this, I can use noun or pronoun as a subject in simple sentences. This is the most basic and common sentence structure in simple English. For example, the dog barks, she runs every morning, my brother likes pizza, they are happy, the teacher explains the lesson. Do you hate English or just find it boring? What if I told you English could become your favorite subject and even your superpower? Stick with me for 5 minutes and I will change how you see English forever. Let me tell a story. Let me tell you about my student, Laisembi. She was shy, scared of speaking English. Every grammar lesson made her sleepy. But today she gives speech. She makes friends worldwide. English did not just become her favorite subject, it became her voice. Just become her favorite subject. It became her voice. Why students hate English? Most students hate English because of fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, and worse, learning English only being judged, and worse, learning English only through rules and textbooks. But English is not just through rules and textbook, but English is not just a subject, it is living language and you feel it, speak it, live it. I can use noun or pronoun as a subject in simple sentences. This is the most basic and common sentence structure in simple English. For example, the dog barks, she runs every morning, my brother takes pizza, they are happy, the teacher explains the lesson. Do you hate English or just find it boring? What if I told you English could become your favorite subject and even your superpower? Stick with me for 5 minutes and then I will change how you see English forever. Let me tell you about my students, Laisembi. She was shy, scared of speaking English. Every grammar lesson made her sleepy. But today, she gives a speech. She makes friends worldwide. English did not just become her favorite subject, it becomes her voice. Why students hate English? Most students hate English because of fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, and worse, learning English only through rules and textbooks. But English is not just a subject, it is living language. You feel it, speak it, live it. Okay, apart from this, I can use noun or pronoun as subject in simple sentences. This is the most basic and common sentence structure in simple English. For example, the dog barks, she runs every morning, my brother likes pizza, they are happy, the teacher explains the lesson. Do you know hate English? Do you hate English or just find it boring? What if I told you English could become your favorite subject and even your superpower? Stick with me for 5 minutes and I will change how you see English forever. Let me tell you about my student Laisembe. She was shy, scared of speaking English. Every grammar lessons made her sleepy, but today she gives speech. She makes friends worldwide. English did not just become